Matexi Group is a family-owned business founded in 1945. We are around about 70 years and we are selling housing units to families, mostly apartments and houses, about 1,500 units a year, which stands for around 300 million euros of turnover a year. And we are realizing that together with 350 people. Business intelligence is important to measure our project profitability. The average of development is 10 years. There are projects that take 3 years, but also that take 30 years. That's a very long time. And during that life cycle, we need to have insights in the project profitability when we acquire a land, and also further in the process when we further develop the land and when we are selling and constructing the project. Previously, we had a profitability analysis in Excel. It was very hard to integrate actuals in those Excels, and we couldn't do it for all our projects. We selected element61 because they are really specialized in reporting. They are not just part of an ERP implementator, and we also selected them because they have insights in the technical area and in finance. We implemented the solution in BPC. This means that we can integrate actuals from SAP together with forecasts that we put in the model in BPC. So the two together give us an insight in the project profitability at a given moment in time. Advantages are, first of all, that everything is now structured in a database. This means that we can use those figures for portfolio reporting and KPI reporting later on, and also that we can make a budget for a whole business unit or the group of Matexi from all those data. A second big advantage is that we can share information more easily and everybody is looking at the same numbers. We started implementing and giving training in September. Now we are using the tool for budget projects and we'll start migrating all the old projects in the new tool. The next step, and we are now blueprinting that, is to make a real business plan from all those individual projects. So we have insights in the whole budget of a business unit and the whole of Matexi. I would recommend element61 because they are very experienced in what they do and they are very hands-on in their approach.